Artificial intelligence keeps getting more impressive. Not long ago, AI could help you write an email. Then it started writing code. Now we're seeing AI platforms that claim they can build an entire business application from nothing more than a simple prompt. One of those platforms is called Emergent AI. But here's the question I wanted to answer. Can it actually build something a real business would use? Or is it just another impressive demo? Let's find out. I've spent more than 25 years working in manufacturing, warehouse operations, and leadership. One thing I've learned is that every business has problems that could be solved with better software. The challenge has always been the cost. Building custom software usually means hiring developers, writing requirements, testing, debugging, and waiting weeks or even months before you see a finished product. So today, I'm giving Emergent AI a challenge. I wanted to build a warehouse issue reporting application. Imagine you're walking through a warehouse. You notice a damaged pallet, a leaking container, broken racking, or maybe a safety concern that needs immediate attention. How do employees report that today? In many companies, it's still done with paper, a text message, a phone call, or someone tells a supervisor. Who gets busy and accidentally forgets? I want something better. I want a simple application where an employee can report an issue in just a few seconds. Take a picture, describe the problem, choose a priority level, submit it. Then supervisors can review the issue, assign it to someone, track progress, and close it when the problem has been resolved. That's a real business problem. Now let's see what Emergent AI can do. One thing that impressed me almost immediately was how quickly everything started coming together. Instead of asking me dozens of technical questions, Emergent understood what I was trying to accomplish. It began creating screens, building workflows, organizing the information. And before long, I had something that actually looked like a usable application. Now, is it perfect? Of course not. No AI platform is. Real businesses still need people who understand operations, customers, employees, and business processes. AI can't replace experience, but it can dramatically speed up the process of turning an idea into a working prototype. And I think that's where tools like this become really exciting. Here's something I realized while testing Emergent. I think a lot of people are asking the wrong question. They ask, can AI write code? I don't think that's the important question anymore. The better question is, can AI help businesses solve problems faster? Because businesses don't buy software. They buy solutions. If AI can reduce the time it takes to build internal tools, if it can help companies test ideas before investing thousands of dollars, if it can allow smaller businesses to automate processes they never could have afforded before, that's where the real value begins. And it's not just warehouses. Imagine using something like this for customer service, human resources, employee onboarding, inventory management, sales tracking, equipment maintenance, quality inspections. The possibilities are almost endless. As someone who's spent years leading teams, one thing I've learned is that employees usually know exactly where the problems are. The problem is getting solutions built quickly enough. Tools like Emergent have the potential to change that. Someone with a good idea can go from concept to working application in a fraction of the time it used to take. That's incredibly exciting. Would I trust AI to build an entire enterprise system without human oversight? No, not today. But would I use it to prototype ideas, automate repetitive tasks, and solve everyday business problems? Absolutely. I think that's exactly where this technology shines. My biggest takeaway from today's experiment is simple. Don't start with the technology. Start with the problem. The best business applications have never been built because someone wanted to write code. They've always been built because someone wanted to make work easier, safer, faster, or more efficient. AI simply gives us a new way to do that. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you had access to Emergent AI today, what business application would you build first? Would it help your team, your customers, or maybe even your own side business? Leave your idea in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoy practical AI, workflow automation, and real-world business applications, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.